Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to unbox the Samsung 25 watt fast charging adapter. In this video, here you can see in left side I'm having my Galaxy S22, and now I'm going to unbox 25 watt fast charger for my Galaxy S22, because for Samsung Galaxy S22 they will not provide any travel adapter for charging. We need to purchase separately. I have purchased this 25 watt fast charging adapter in Amazon. Thus, I have given a link in the below description. If you need, means you can buy. It is a original charger only. You can see I have purchased a black color, and it cost 1099 rupees in Indian rupee. This is the 25 watt power adapter for my Galaxy S22. Okay, it's time to unbox. And this is Type C to Type C adapter connectivity. Okay, I need to open it up. Let's take a scissor. So it's very hard. Okay, you can see, guys, this is the power adapter, 25 watt fast charging power adapter. Okay, we can see by connecting Type C port. Here you can see this is the USB Type C port. So original Samsung charger, guys. Now we need to open this tape. This Type C cable they will provide in your smartphone box itself. It's very tight. Okay, finally we have taken it out. You need to use scissor only because it's very hard. Okay, let's check it out. Yeah, now it's connecting from charger side Type C. Now we can connect this another end to mobile phone. This is my little champ S22. Yeah, here you can see it's perfectly fitting, guys. And okay, guys, regarding this video, it's a very small video of unboxing of power adapter regarding Samsung Galaxy S22. And if you have any doubts or questions, just ask in the comment section. Definitely I will reply. And if you have any doubts or questions, just ask. Don't hesitate. And okay, guys, do like us and subscribe our channel for more videos. Let's see you in another video. See you soon. Bye.